What's going on, guys? We have a question right here. It's asking sketch the section view of this object, right? So we have this object right here. This is top view and this is front view. So first of all, we have to know where we can sketch the section view. So from this one, I can cut this picture, cut this object into half. So let's see. If we cut this object into half like this. So it means if I cut this, if this arrow means I'm cutting this object into half, so I eliminated this part, the bottom part. So this is the only part remaining. And if I cut this part, how this object will appear? That is the purpose of section view. So first of all, if I cut this is the this is shown hidden line because this part is going to be invisible from here. So from here to here it's going to be invisible, but when I cut this, this old part will become visible, so I have to connect these lines. Okay, now this became visible, and if you see this hole is appearing here. From the top view it's appearing here. So if we imagine if we cut this object into half from the middle, this one become visible, this hole will become visible, and you can directly see from the front view, you will see it. So therefore this hidden line will disappear and it will become a visible line. And then we have this this bottom part. This is actually representing the middle hole, and it's a hole. So when you cut this into half, this will become a half hole and this will become a visible line. But what is this line? If you imagine this hole is this much height from the front view, right? This hole is this much height. So what are they showing is the bottom part of this object is hidden behind this hole, because the bottom part of the object behind is in the base level, right? That's what they are showing in the hidden line. But one thing we have to remember, whenever we draw section line, we never should include a hidden line. Therefore I have to erase this part, and that's it. But we should always show the center line, that will never disappear. That's all about it. And one more thing we have to do. So in this case, so when we cut an object into half, for example, if you imagine you are cutting this let's say this is a cake and you're cutting this by a knife. So whatever the part that touches the cake when you cut, that part you have to shade it. So if you cut this object into half, you will actually touch this object, right? Touch this whole object from here to down, like it's going to be all the way to down from here to here. You will touch all the parts, but you won't touch this hole because this hole is like a little bit inside, so you won't touch it. Therefore you just leave the hole alone and you shade everything else. So that's all we have to do, and that's all for section view. This is my section view. I hope you guys got this idea. See you next time.